Let's begin with the classic espresso, the flavor driver behind coffees like latte, flat white, and cappuccino. Get this one right and you're on your way. Let's get started. First, I recommend purging the machine. Run hot water through the group head into the portafilter and then remove the portafilter and wipe it clean. This also helps to preheat the group head and the portafilter for a better tasting espresso and a hotter first cup. Pour freshly roasted beans into the hopper and grind between 18 to 22 grams into the portafilter. Feel free to use a scale if you want to be more precise. Give the portafilter a few gentle taps like this to settle the grounds before tamping on a nice level surface. The most important thing is consistent pressure each and every time and visually check that the tamper is level. Use the razor tool after tamping to ensure you have the correct dose. It precisely controls the height of the tamped coffee, a critical variable. Now insert the portafilter into the group head. Twist until it's firmly in place, not too tight or too loose. Before you start the shot, make sure you set your cup underneath. Today, we're splitting our shot between 2 cups. The reason for this is that most experienced baristas will use the double basket to split their shots to maximize the recipe needed to create a nice balanced extraction. Hit the 2-cup button and let the machine work its magic. Espresso should drop from the spouts at around 8 to 10 seconds. Taste is subjective, and different beans will require adjusting your recipe, so use this as a guide. Aim for around 20 to 30 mils or around 1 fluid ounce of liquid per cup in 25 to 30 seconds in total. If your extraction is longer or shorter, or you're not getting your desired volume, I recommend adjusting your grind size. Here's what it's all about: a flow that looks like warm honey and a crema topping a pure black coffee. That's third wave specialty espresso at home. Enjoy.